You and the Creator are one. You know this to be true. There can be no doubt as you witness this more and more in your life. Ask, and you shall receive. Ask, and you shall see how powerful you are.